Hey gamers, this is Alex, and welcome to our 2024 Gaming Rewind Early Edition. Let's dive into the absolute wildest moments and memes that have taken over gaming so far this year. First up, we've got to talk about the phenomenon that broke the internet, Palworld. You know, that game that everyone kept calling Pokémon with guns? The memes were absolutely everywhere. We had people building literal sweatshops with their pals, creating automated factory lines. And the internet just couldn't stop comparing every single pal to their Pokémon inspiration. Things got so wild that the Pokémon Company had to step in and make an official statement. Imagine being so successful that Pokémon themselves have to acknowledge you. Speaking of surprise hits, let's talk about Helldivers 2. Who would have thought that a game about spreading managed democracy would become such a massive meme factory? The game literally came out of nowhere and started competing with giants like Destiny 2. The community just ran with the whole for democracy thing, turning every friendly fire incident into a patriotic sacrifice. And don't even get me started on all the Bug Planet memes, they are everywhere. Now, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth has been absolutely crushing it. The game's already being called a Game of the Year contender, and we're only in February. The memes about Square Enix's wild sales expectations have been gold. And you know what's funny? They recently had to update the game to allow people to share certain scenes because fans were going absolutely crazy wanting to post about them. Like, imagine making a scene so good you have to patch in the ability to share it. And here's something interesting, 2024 is shaping up to be the year of the underdog. We're seeing smaller studios like Pocket Pair and Arrowhead just absolutely dominating the conversation. The memes about indie studios showing up AAA developers have been relentless. There is this recurring joke about how the big studios are scratching their heads wondering how these smaller teams are stealing their thunder. And honestly, the community's loving it. The whole quality over quantity message is really resonating, especially with all these jokes about 70 price tags for half-finished games. Oh, and we can't forget about Princess Peach, Showtime. Talk about a power move, our girl Peach is finally getting her time to shine without needing Mario to save her. The internet has been having a field day with memes about Mario being out of a job now that Peach can handle herself. It's about time, right? That's our roundup of 2024's spiciest gaming memes so far. Remember, we're only a few months into the year and things are already this wild. Can't wait to see what other memes and moments the gaming world throws at us next. This is Alex, signing off, and remember, whether you're enslaving pals or spreading democracy, keep those memes coming.